Hi guys, today we are going to do a gizmo in class. So what you're going to start with doing is going to your Google Classroom. Your gizmo is the ability to do an online simulation, sort of like a lab, without actually touching or interacting with other people. So it's definitely COVID based. All right, so if you look at classwork in your Google Classroom, you're going to have a bones and muscle gizmo. Now there are two assignments here. You're going to do the Google Doc first and then the Google Forms. So once you open up your Google Doc, you're going to see that it tells you to go to this website right here. Okay, so I'm going to click this one and it's going to ask me to log in. Now, on my assignment, it tells me to log in with Lopez B861 and then the password is pin861. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to do that. Lopez B861, pin861. And I'm going to log in. Now I'm going to see here that I have one assignment, Muscles and Bones, launch. And I'm going to launch the assignment. Now, it tells you how to do that in this class. It actually tells you launch right here. Here's the situation. You're going to want to split your screen so that you can see this document along with this website. So in order to do that, you're going to actually take this tab. See how they're both in the same window? So I'm going to want to take this tab and I'm going to pull it out so it makes its own window. Okay, so then I'm going to click this button right here, which means to restore down. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it more at the top, and I'm going to try and equal it out. Then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to do the same thing. Good morning. It's only my fifth time recording now because of all the morning announcements. Let's keep going. All right, so you have the ability of split screen. It shows you right here which keys to push to do so at the same time. If that doesn't work for you, this is the best way. So then we're going to restore down this window. I'm going to resize it by taking it to the right. When I get that two arrows, I'm going to move it to make it the right size. Then I'm going to drag it down so I can see more of the window. Okay, so this is what your window should look like as you're working. So see, I see this entire window, which is exactly what I need to see, and I can see this window. So once I scroll down, it is actually going to walk me through every single step. So I'm going to click in my name, I'm going to put the date, and then it says get the gizmo ready, activity A, muscle anatomy. Make sure the anatomy tab right there is selected and no other circles are open. So there's no circles on my page and the anatomy tab is open. Then it says that your arm contains muscles and bones. Done this a few times, right? It says your arm contains muscles, bones, and other connective tissue. When muscles contract, they pull on the bones, causing them to move. In this activity, you will learn that what causes muscles to contract. The question, what causes muscles to contract? So it says observe, turn on hide muscles and show labels. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to click show labels, hide muscles. So then it says which bone connects the shoulder, so here is my shoulder, to the forearm, and it's labeled for you, forearm bones. So you're going to go into this box and you're going to type in the right answer. In this case, it would be humerus. It's not very funny, but yes. The next one says, what are the names of the two forearm bones? So you come here and you look and it says radius is above and ulna is below. So I'm going to type radius and ulna. Once you have gone through, it literally will walk you through step by step what to click, what to move, etc., what tab to be in. So you're going to go through and you're going to answer the rest of the questions. Then you're going to go back to your Google Classroom and you're going to go to the actual Google form. So the actual Google Doc that you have here is worth 50% of your grade, and the form is worth 50% of your grade. So you're going to complete both of those for today's activity in order to receive your lab grade. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in class or to send me an email. I also do offer the virtual coaching again today at 2, so if you need to see me then, that will work as well. I hope you have an awesome day.